Hey guys, it's Noah here.
And Ian.
And we're going to be playing pool today. Are slippery because they're hardwood and I have socks on. Okay. College. Well done. Cast away. That light. Hunter.
Oh wait, it didn't turn on.
It's not.
Yeah, but yeah, let me set up for a second.
And
You break first.
okay. August 2018, you have the camera in place? Thank you. Alright, ready? Whoa!
Alright, this is my turn now.
Your turn. It's Ian's. Duff is not responsible for contestants turning into balls. Oh!
Now it's your turn.
Chalk up. Alright. Nope. Oh, that 8-ball, what?
Oh, it's all already over.
Well,
shoot. Alright, we're doing this again because Noah got the 8-ball in, so.
get the dog.
Peter's Club.
Hey Peter, I like your store. Yeah, that's great. Thanks, Joe.
Oh wait,
Your turn to break.
yeah, since try not to get the 8-ball in this time.
Yeah, try not to get the 8-ball, huh?
Okay, I got one of the stripes in.
Oh, you're a strike. So, which one?
Yeah, I got stripe in. So I guess
Number 15.
So I guess I go again.
Yep. I'll tell you what.
Oh no, no.
Alright, so
Your turn.
yes! I got one of your balls.
Oh.
Oh, no, and now I got the 7 in.
So what happens now? You got. Do I go or do you get to go again?
I think
I don't
I
know.
get to go again.
Yeah,
The 3.
yeah, we may be bending the rules a bit. I don't know.
Yeah, we might.
Oh wow! Good job.
I get to go. Go for the 1. Not be confused with the 1 on the New York City subway.
All right.
My turn. Hey, this is the red 3, like the New York subway.
Don't get the. Be careful with the people.
Your turn. You know how in the Simpsons game where you run out of time and the bullies comes up and says, "Ha ha, try again, loser."
Have we ever run out? I don't think we've run out of time when we played the Simpsons game. Like when we played that level. Your turn, by the way.
No. Oh, no. So close.
No.
Cleveland.
I'm stripes, right?
Yep. I'll tell you what.
Nope, but your turn.
Okay, so
How
much time do we have? 229. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Okay, so. Yeah.
Slightly touched it, yeah. Your turn.
Whoa!
Oh, that could have like almost.
What did you get one in?
No, I did not.
Okay, my go. Time for the number 5.
Nope.
Nope. Whack. He's going for the 15.
Oh, now it is your turn.
5. That was a foul. But who cares?
Yeah.
It's your turn now. Hey guys, I'm wearing my Team Noah shirt today.
Alright.
Ask me about activevacuum.com. It's Micah. Hey,
Nice little plug there, yeah.
I'm gonna go for one. Do it really hard.
My turn.
Yeah.
This should.
When I was little, I used to do this a lot.
Oh my god, no!
Very good. Oh, you got all my balls in.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Now you get to go, I guess.
Time to place the cue ball in. Right there. Nope.
Nope. As the engineer would say.
No. Oh!
Oh no! Oh. Now, I guess you go since I got my cue ball in, or do you go? Yeah.
Yes.
I guess so.
Wait a sec. Let me center this.
One eternity later.
Take all the time you need.
Thanks. There, that should be good.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't knock over, crack, because it already cracked once, and I had to get it repaired last year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, it's my turn.
Anybody hear a fridge running in here? Oh, it's coming from over there at the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah, I got the 6 in!
Was it a stripe? Was the 6 a stripe?
Solid. I get to go again.
Oh, wait, I forgot I was stripes. I got mixed up.
I get to go again. Yeet! Okay.
Don't watch out for the equal.
The ball. Alright, well, my turn, I'll tell you what. Well,
4.
yeah,
Good
get the
job.
4
Let's
in.
go again.
Now I'm going to go for the number 5. You know Cookie Monster's on Family Guy?
Yeah, I think there was some kind of cutaway where,
Yeah.
yeah,
It said, come on, go away!
yeah, where Lois was there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah. Your turn.
Yeah. Okay, that's the number 2.
Yeah. Now it's my turn since you didn't get it.
Yep. Well, don't hit my ball.
Okay. Your turn.
Oh, okay. Wee. You think Alvin can play pool? I don't think, because he's so small, you have to
Like,
stand on
like-
here in order to.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, wait. I'm stripes, yeah.
Yep.
I keep forgetting which one I am. I don't know why. Your turn. Your turn.
What? The pool ball. again, I tell you what.
It's the
Whoa!
longest. Ooh!
No. No. Oh, well, I guess that's it for the game.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe. If you want to see us play pool again, just let us know.
Yeah.
Bye.
We'll see ya.